to do slush. Turn that on, and we want our consistency a little bit thicker. I'm gonna raise it up to that. So we're at 30 minutes right now, and it seems to be super thick, but not all the way thick, but we like it like this. That is pretty thick, but I think this is perfect. Delicious. A little bit sour, but if you do want to dilute it with water, just make sure that it's going to have enough sugar to blend into a slushie. So when you're done enjoying the slushie, it's time to rinse this machine, and you want to do it with just regular room temperature or cold water. You're going to pour it in the same bowl, and we're going to turn it on, click rinse. Give it a few minutes to do with circles, so it's cleaning everything out, and you just fill it out. After you're rinsing, wash everything and have it air dry. It is dishwasher compatible, so you're gonna open the lever like that, pull this out. It does have the condensation tray, so have some in there. You're gonna empty it out. That's it. Just put in some Pepsi for a slushie, and it's been about 10 minutes or so, and we want it at this consistency, so we'll see how it turns out.